A days-long siege of rain across large parts of America is triggering flash flooding and daring rescues. A helicopter was deployed east of San Francisco to save a woman stranded in the middle of a river on top of her car. She told rescuers she had been there for 18 hours.
Maybe out of her tenacity or luck, I don't know what it was, the entire cab was submerged, so she was able to swim out of the window and climb herself up on top of the vehicle.
Hundreds of others have been rescued across California, where roads and waterways were quickly overwhelmed, while in Texas, flood warnings are in place for more than 30 million people.